Hello everyone, welcome back to Drivemodenjoy. How are you today, Blake?
Great. How are you, Wubby?
I'm not bad. We're testing out this new camera, by the way, so give us your feedback in the comments below if you like the new camera from this.
It looks cool.
It does look cool. Hopefully the audio is a little bit better.
What is it? Sony?
Sony.
Huh.
Yeah, it's, I don't know, some Sony camera. But yes, today we're back on the Bronco, of course. So, if you'll look at the Tacoma, you'll look at the LR, they have one thing in common that the Bronco doesn't have.
Stuff on the roof?
Stuff on the roof. So yes, today we are installing the Trailrax Bronco Roof Rack with side panels.
With side panels.
With side panels.
The side panels are the best part.
In my opinion, this is by far the best Bronco roof rack you can get, hands down.
It looks pretty sick.
It's also kind of the most expensive.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, this is an expensive roof rack, so this is not for the budget build in mind, so stay tuned.
In audio.
So the question today is, do we have to take the shelf out, take off the roof rack, and do the roof, all that good stuff? Guess we'll find out.
In audio.
Hey Rob, what you doing?
Undoing all the previous work we did because you decided you wanted a roof rack.
Okay, so who talked me into the roof rack again? Just saying?
Maybe? Blake. It was Blake.
Wasn't me.
Yes, it was.
Nope.
You helped. So yeah, the shelf has to come off because the roof has to come off because we have to access bolts along the center right here because in addition to the roof rack, I have the pack rack and that goes in right here. So yeah, we get to undo some work we've already done.
Unfortunately.
This is car modding though. This is what life looks like when you add projects on projects. So we'll be back when we're ready.
In audio. In audio.
All right, so went ahead and undid these 3 bolts, which previously held in the shelf. Did it on each side. They're all sitting here. Next, I need to take out that way front bolt that you can see right in the center of your screen on pretty much each side. So I'm gonna work on that now. All right, so
Accessory ready.
it's not the right size.
Oh, is it this one?
No. I have the little one. Yeah, so this is the Bronco kit that comes with it. Do I have to use this?
Is it special?
Am I crazy?
I think you're crazy.
Oh, it's definitely smaller than that. Wow. So it doesn't come with all the bolts to remove the...
Are you sure that doesn't fit?
I'm not crazy. It does not go in.
I thought it was supposed to come with all of the
It is.
tools to remove all the roof hardware.
It absolutely is. This is not fitting. Let me try this. They look the exact same. Oh, it's so hard to see in here. Oh, yeah, it's like a different pitch and everything.
A different shape tool?
Maybe. Different size.
Did you find?
I did.
What size is that?
T27.
T27.
T25 is definitely too small. So T27, T30. We're gonna give it a go with the 27. I don't think I have a.
I have a T.
Like a T28.
I have a T30. T30 was too big.
Yeah, T30 is too big. I'm not crazy. It doesn't fit.
Is it twisted?
I don't know. You see the problem though, right?
It doesn't fit in the hole?
It does not fit in the hole. We're usually really good about that too.
Yeah.
It's almost not the right size. It's probably a T28.
Is that a thing?
I honestly don't know, to be honest. Is it a thing?
I don't know.
All right, so Blake is jumping in the back to attempt to undo that side. Spinning underneath.
Spinning.
Oh, it's spinning.
Is it supposed to just turn to a certain position, or is it supposed to like completely unscrew?
I don't know. We need to figure out.
Where's the owner's manual?
We'll get it.
We need the owner's manual.
All right, deal. All right, so we took off the front two panels of the roof, and then there are those two bolts left holding it, and me and Blake should be able to remove it in theory.
In theory.
So yeah.
We're big and strong, we can do it.
All right, here goes roof.
Okay, so we need one person on each corner. Come straight backwards.
All right, tire clear.
Nice.
It's not that bad for 4 people. I wouldn't want to do it with 2.
I think it's a lot easier. We got it off.
You're my baby.
What do you think?
I wish it wasn't so cold. I want to go to Can I go to Quick Trip anyway?
Can you go to Quick Trip?
And buy everybody drinks?
Yeah, go for it.
I know it'll put a delay on the recording, but I want to drive it just once with the roof.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I need a hat.
In audio.
All right.
I did not grab a hat. I may end up regretting this.
About to take our first voyage in the roofless Bronco. This should be interesting.
So we putting the windows down because
I guess. You guys won't be able to hear any of this, but it should be fun.
In audio.
We totally should have picked a better day to do this. It is freezing outside. All right, did you get your roof off experience?
Yes.
Are we done? It's so cold and windy today, guys.
56 degrees. It's not that bad.
But the wind chill is not great. Okay, cool. Back onto installing roof rack. Now that the actual roof rack's on, we can start to install some parts. So, overview, this is the front fairing. This looks like the side pod thingies. More over there, and then all these parts need to all go onto the Bronco. So, we're gonna start now.
I should have already learned the lesson about checking parts before.
So, we are not able to install the roof rack today. Blake or Anna, you guys want to explain it? Who wants to explain it?
Anna.
Oh, it's
All right, come show me
Where are the damn things?
what the deal is.
Some of you are automatically going to look at this and go, wait a minute, those aren't what they're supposed to look like. But if you will focus in right here for me, see how there's a P and there's a P? P stands for passenger. They didn't send me one that says D for driver, and we did not do our due diligence and double check that we had everything that we're supposed to have before we took the roof rack off, the roof off. So now we have a Bronco with no roof, and we have an install that we cannot complete without the appropriate part.
It is physically impossible for us to finish this install now because you have to take off the roof to install these pieces first. This is the very first step of the roof rack.
Well, let's show where these go so that it's super obvious.
Yeah, please.
So on the driver's side,
well, that won't.
or sorry, passenger side.
Yes, on the
So
passenger
this
side.
goes on those 4 bolts that are only exposed when you take the roof off. So you have to take the roof off completely in order to install these. And since they are a mirror image, we can't use the incorrect one on the other side, which means we can't, like, we could technically put the roof rack on and leave pack racks off, but then we'd have to take the roof rack off.
We'd have to disassemble all our work
It's pointless
for today.
to do, like, it's really frustrating, and one, like, 10% our fault for not checking the parts before we went through all the work of taking the roof all the way off, but 90% their fault for packing it incorrectly, especially because these things were in styrofoam saran wrapped. So like, by the time they had the roof ready to come off, we were barely finished unpacking all the parts, which is nice for, you know, making sure the powder coat doesn't get damaged or whatever, but it also makes it really difficult to streamline the process and have multiple people working on multiple things at the same time. And even better, their phone number is currently not working, so I can't even talk to somebody about it. So I'm very frustrated right now, and I can't even make sure that I have a solution for this problem. So yeah.
So I will say this, we bought this from CB Adventure Supply. They are amazing. Ryan and Libby at CB Adventure Supply are fantastic. This is not their fault. This is Trailrax's fault. And to be honest, there is no reason why anyone should buy almost a $2,000 roof rack and it has the incorrect parts on it.
Seriously though.
So we are at this point, we have no video for this weekend now.
No, we're posting this.
We'll post this,
I think
and we're gonna call out Trailrax
because we're gonna call them out for $2,000 for a part made for a $60,000 vehicle. I should be able to expect a certain level of customer service and a certain level of due diligence on packing that I did not get. It's also because it was third-party drop shipped from CB Adventure Supply. If I wasn't one of a customer that understood how this worked, that means that CB Adventure Supply would also be catching heat from me for something that has absolutely nothing to do for them. They were just the dealer that helped connect me with this product. I didn't get any discounts. I paid full price for something that I can't install, and I feel like people could learn a little bit from this, and I think that Trailrax needs to understand the fact that they are impacting other people. Like, this is my whole weekend now down on the drain because I have to put my car back together with nothing on it.
Yeah, this is not a great situation. So yeah, we will
Let's post it, and then we can post the Trailrax fixed it or the Trailrax did not fix it and never do business with them video later.
Blake, I know you have a ton of customer service like history and stuff. What's your thoughts on this? Like, how would you feel?
How would I feel if I were you, or if
Just
I
in general, you bought a product that now, yeah,
can't do anything with?
we physically can't do anything with it. We can't install any
After
part
we've
of
already
it.
done an hour worth of work.
Yes.
I mean, it's not mine, and I'm still frustrated.
And we also, this kind of ruins our video for the week.
Yeah. It's okay. We'll figure it out. I don't know. I mean, they should answer the phone. I assume they're open on Saturdays.
Here's the problem. Their phone's disconnected right now.
Oh, their phone's disconnected.
Yeah.
Oh. Well,
Yeah, exactly.
that's a completely different problem entirely.
Yep. Look, we moved. Phones are down. Like, really? You don't sell products cheap enough to justify the phones being down. Like, if this was
yeah.
Joe Blow, the neighborhood guy down the street, be like, okay, you're moving, the phones are down, whatever. But like, $2,000, get you a VoIP system, dude.
To say that we're frustrated is a little, you know, it's true. So I really hate to do this to you guys, but that's the video for this week, unfortunately.
Next time, check the parts. But seriously, Trailrax, do better.
Yeah, I mean, it's on us to check the parts, but I don't know. This sucks. Yeah, we're gonna be without a video. Well, I mean, you guys will see this, but it's not a lot of substance to this video. It's like us removing a roof, dealing with removing the roof, and now we have to put back on the roof that for literally no reason.
And the basket thingy.
And yeah,
You can leave the basket
we
off
completely
until
uninstalled the basket and everything. So, all right, guys, we're gonna end it here. Trailrax, do better. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Next video is obviously gonna be an update about this, and we'll see you guys next time in Drivemodenjoy. Bye, everyone. Hey, y'all, Rob from the future here once again. I just wanted to give you an update on the actual Trailrax situation. So, just for reference, today is March 24th. We actually filmed that about a week ago. Updates since then. So we got in contact with CB Adventure Supply directly after we found out that mount was incorrect. Libby there and Ryan, they're amazing. They said no matter what, we'll reach out on that Monday morning to reach out to Trailrax. Trailrax actually responded to us as well. They reached out to us via social media, and to be frank, with what they said in social media, I don't think it was a little snarky. It was like, well, we make mistakes, and I wish it was said, oh, contact us immediately, we'll resolve this, instead of saying, well, we make mistakes, humans make mistakes. It was a little weird, but I will say Trailrax sent us the new bracket. It has arrived here. Libby coordinated that with Trailrax, so CB Adventure Supply coordinated that, and we have the new mount. So hopefully one of the next videos you see will be the successful attempt to update that, but I just wanted to close out this video by saying it's since been resolved. It took about, I want to say 4 days for us to get that bracket. So not too bad, but yeah, I just wish it didn't happen to begin with. But shout out CB Adventure Supply. Libby over there really took care of us. They always take care of us. So please, 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 please support CB Adventure Supply. They're amazing. The full install coming soon, but I wanted to keep you guys updated. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, everyone.